I'm Gabby.
And my name is Kent. And we're here to teach you how to keep your car in tip-top shape with some simple and useful tips.
Love your car by making sure it not only looks good on the outside, but make sure the engine and cooling system are very well maintained.
Now, when driving through everyday Manila traffic, your car could get hot. Why? Because your car's radiator has failed to keep your engine in the proper temperature.
Yes, it isn't safe to be on board a vehicle so close to the temperature limit. The car will not only break down, but cause massive inconvenience. Your safety is at risk, okay guys? Right, Kent?
And you're correct, Gabby. And that is why we're going to talk about how to keep your car at the right temperature by using Prestone coolant. Now, water alone is not enough. We often gas up with an invitation to top up water in our radiator. Please say no. Now, our cars need a coolant to make sure our engines run at the right temperature. Now, coolant is the fluid that prevents your car from overheating. One important thing, you have to check the quality of the coolant. Now, I'll walk you through some easy tips and guidelines on how to properly take care of your car's cooling system. Are you ready? Let's get on with it. If your car is currently on water, or if you're using an old coolant, we have to check for contamination. Here are easy steps to check if your coolant needs to be replaced. The first thing you have to do is get a sample. Use suction or a pipette to collect a sample of your existing coolant and place it in a container. Now, if you notice that your coolant is brown, darker than usual, or rusty, it is contaminated and needs to be changed. And when it's time to do just that, Prestone gives you two ways. With Prestone Coolant Concentrate mixed with distilled water, or Prestone ready-to-use coolant that gives you the added convenience of a pre-diluted blend that you can instantly top up into your radiator. We're almost done. To find out how to test your coolant, flush, and finally refill your cooling system, be sure to check out these other Prestone car care videos. Abby?
Thanks, Kent. For more information, follow us on Facebook, www.facebook.com/PrestonePhilippines.
And be sure to check your car manual to know when to change your coolant. Easy.
And you avoid costly repairs by preventing overheating, rust, corrosion, and damage to your cooling system.
So always remember,
Protect it